Hello, boys and girls. This will be morning work day 3, week 16. Says Miss Drake told her science class, "I'm very happy you all did so well on your exams. I'm going to return them so you can see for yourselves." When Mike got his exam, he couldn't believe it. He got a B+. He had worked very hard on this exam, and he was excited that he had done so well. He was even more excited when he heard the next thing Miss Drake said. "Since we have been studying the planets, I thought you might like to take a field trip to the planetarium next week. The planetarium has a special room where you will see what the stars and planets look like." Number 1. Why is Mike excited? A. Miss Drake is happy. B. He saw a plane. C. He scored well on his exam. Or D. He was going to a football game. Number 2. What is the setting of the story? A. The planetarium. B. Miss Drake's classroom. C. Mike's home. Or D. The school bus. Number 3. Which is the suffix in the word planetarium? Is it A. TAR, B. PLANET, A or C. ARIUM, or D. NET? Which is the suffix in the word planetarium? Number 4. Which is defined in the context of the text? Is it A. Planets, B. Stars, C. Planetarium, or D. Field? Number 5. When Mike got his exam, he couldn't believe it. It was an example of, is it A. a metaphor, B. a simile, C. alliteration, or D. hyperbole? When Mike got his exam, he couldn't believe it. It is an example of what? A. a metaphor, B. a simile, C. alliteration, or D. hyperbole. And that is all for day 3.